Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville, the largest town in central Jamaica. And we're going to talk about a new JUTC route from Kingston to Mandeville. Now, as you know, the JUTC it's a government-run bus service in Jamaica, but they used to operate just in the Kingston metropolitan area, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, where you have the largest population in Jamaica. But Jamaica is expanding, and towns like Mandeville need to be connected to Kingston via reliable and safe bus service. We don't have any trains in Jamaica, and we don't have any local airline between Kingston and Mandeville. So the bus service is essential. So as the JUTC gets in more buses, they are expanding their routes to include the major towns in Jamaica. They recently started a route from Kingston to Montego Bay, and now they're starting Route 512 from Kingston to Mandeville. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. In a major step toward improving rural connectivity and easing the cost of long distance travel, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC has announced the launch of Route 512, a new express service connecting Mandeville in Manchester to downtown Kingston. Officially starting operations on Monday, July 29, this route is a key part of the government's broader plan to expand public transportation access in rural areas and reduce travel expenses for everyday Jamaicans. Route 512 will offer 3 daily departures in each direction, providing direct travel via the East-West Highway. Commuters departing from Mandeville can catch a JUTC bus at 5:45 a.m., 10 a.m., or 3:10 p.m., while return trips from Kingston are scheduled for 7:55 a.m., 1 o'clock p.m., and 5:20 p.m. The buses, each equipped with 53 seats and standing room for 50% more passengers, will operate under the JUTC's regular service model. Seating will be on a first-come, first-served basis, ensuring efficiency while managing high demand. One of the most celebrated aspects of this new route is its affordability. The cost for a one-way trip is $500 for adults using smart fare cards, $600 for adults paying cash, $250 for concession passengers, students, seniors, and persons with disabilities using smart fare cards, and $600 for concession passengers paying cash. This pricing model significantly undercuts the cost of similar private transportation options and provides a more structured and safe option for commuters. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. Yeah.